Welcome to our channel, Ranker's Domain. In this series of audiobooks, we will talk about the history of India. Welcome to this series of the history of India, dawn the prehistoric period up to the period of Mahajanpadas. We will begin our journey in the early Neolithic period, around 9000 BCE. This era marks a transformative phase in human prehistory. In the early Neolithic period, humanity witnessed the emergence of settled farming communities. This was a time when people began to domesticate plants and animals, a crucial step that laid the foundation for modern agriculture. The use of polished stone tools became prevalent, marking significant technological progress. These advancements heralded a new way of life, moving from nomadic hunting and gathering to settled farming, which allowed communities to grow and thrive. As we move forward in time, we arrive at the Mehrgarh culture, spanning from 7000 to 3300 BCE, a cornerstone in the history of South Asia. The Mehrgarh culture represents one of the earliest farming communities in South Asia. Located in present-day Pakistan, Mehrgarh is renowned for its early evidence of crop cultivation, animal husbandry, and the production of pottery. These early farmers cultivated barley, wheat, and dates, and domesticated animals like cattle, sheep, and goats. The development of pottery in Mehrgarh also signifies a leap in human creativity and utility, reflecting a society becoming increasingly sophisticated. Next, we delve into the illustrious Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished between 3000 BCE and 1500 BCE, with distinct phases marking its rise and decline. During the early Harappan phase, the formation of the first urban centers began. This era saw the development of trade networks, which laid the groundwork for the civilization's prosperity. The mature Harappan phase represents the zenith of the Indus Valley Civilization. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were well planned, featuring advanced drainage systems and standardized weights and measures, indicative of a highly organized society. In the late Harappan phase, the urban centers began to decline, and there was a noticeable shift towards rural life. The reasons for this decline are still debated, with theories ranging from climate change and overuse of resources to potential invasions. By 1400 BCE, a significant chapter in history closed with the complete disappearance of the Harappan towns. The major urban centers of the Indus Valley Civilization were abandoned by 1400 BCE. This marked the end of one of the world's earliest and most sophisticated civilizations, leaving behind a legacy of mystery and wonder for future generations to unravel. We will now make a transition to the early Vedic age, spanning from 1500 to 1000 BCE, a period characterized by profound spiritual and societal developments. The early Vedic age is distinguished by the composition of the Rig Veda, one of the oldest sacred texts of Hinduism. This period marks the arrival of the Indo-Aryans in the northwestern Indian subcontinent, where they established a pastoral society. The Rig Veda provides insight into their religious beliefs, rituals, and the nascent stages of social organization. As we reach 1000 BCE, we enter the Iron Age of India, a time of significant technological and societal advancements. The widespread use of iron tools and weapons during the Iron Age revolutionized agriculture, warfare, and societal organization. These advancements enabled the establishment of more complex societies and laid the groundwork for the emergence of powerful kingdoms. Continuing our journey, we explore the later Vedic age, from 1000 to 500 BCE, a period of further spiritual and social evolution. The later Vedic age saw the composition of additional Vedic texts, including the Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. This era witnessed the rise of complex social structures, the formation of large kingdoms, and the development of the caste system, which would have a lasting impact on Indian society. We conclude this segment of our timeline with the emergence of the 16 Mahajanpadas around 600 BCE, marking the rise of significant political entities in ancient India. 16 large and powerful kingdoms, known as Mahajanpadas, emerged across northern India. These included prominent realms such as Magad, Kosala, Vatsa, and Avanti. The Mahajanpadas played a crucial role in shaping the political landscape of ancient India, setting the stage for future empires and cultural developments. This timeline offers a glimpse into early Indian history, from the dawn of agriculture to the rise of powerful kingdoms. Join us in the next chapters as we continue to explore the fascinating epochs that shaped the history of Indian subcontinent.